Let's start set number 13. Desalination of seawater is done by option first diffusion, second reverse osmosis, third fractional distillation, fourth osmosis. And the correct option is option number 4, osmosis. The neutral gas is option first nitrogen dioxide, second methane, third sulfur trioxide, fourth hydrogen sulfide. And your correct option is option number 2, methane is a neutral gas. Find the odd one. इनमें से कौन सा ऑड वन है? ऑप्शन फर्स्ट स्लेक्ड आयन, सेकंड मार्बल, थर्ड चॉक, फोर्थ लाइमस्टोन. And the odd one is option number first, slaked iron. White blood cells are produced in the option first ductless glands, second tongue, third thyroid gland and suprarenal gland, fourth bone marrow and lymph glands. And your correct option is option number 4, bone marrow and lymph glands. Cutting and peeling of onions bring tears to the eyes because of the presence of option first carbon in the cell, second fat in the cell, third amino acid in the cell, fourth sulfur in the cell. And your answer is option number 3, amino acid in the cell. Light energy is converted to chemical energy during the process of which of the following? Option first transpiration, second respiration, third fat metabolism, fourth photosynthesis. And your option is option number 4, photosynthesis. The organism living at the bottom of the water mass is called nekton, second benthos, third neuston, fourth plankton. And your option is, correct option is option number 2, benthos. The material used for safety from nuclear radiation is option first copper, second platinum, third lead, fourth gold. And the correct option is option number 3, lead is used for safety for nuclear radiation. How many neighboring countries of India are there? 7, 9, 10, 11. And your answer is option number 2, 9. 9 neighboring countries of India are there. An ideal example of sustainable resource is option first agroforestation, second reforestation, third afforestation, fourth farming. And the correct option is option number 1, agroforestation. Where is Jallianwala Bagh located? Option first Punjab, second Bengal, third Maharashtra, fourth Gujarat. And option number 1 is the correct answer, Punjab. Ramnath Kovind became the dash president of India. Option first 11th, second 12th, third 13th, option 4th 14th. And the correct option is option number 4, 14th. He was the 14th president of India. Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1969, 1971, 1976 and the option number 4, 1979. And your answer is option number 4, 1979. The man-made structure on earth visible from space is option first Golden Gate Bridge, second Eiffel Tower, third Great Wall of China, fourth Giza's Pyramid. And the correct option is option number 3, Great Wall of China. The apex organization for marketing cooperative societies at national level is NAFED, FCI, NCCF, option number 4, NCU. And the correct option is option number 1, NAFED.